There's a storm behind your quiet eyes, a hidden world where all your sorrow hides. You smile like everything's okay, but I can feel the clouds won't fade away. I reach for you, but you drift apart, like drops of rain on shattered glass. Rain falls on your heart tonight, washing out your inner light. Every tear you try to hide turns into the rising tide. If I could take away the pain, I'd stand with you inside the rain. But I'm just watching from the dark, while rain falls on your heart. Your voice is soft, but it starts to break, like thunder rolling in the words you say. You carry more than I can see, a silent weight that brings you to your knees. I call your name into the storm, but you don't hear me anymore. Rain falls on your heart tonight, washing out your inner light. Every tear you try to hide turns into the rising tide. If I could take away the pain, I'd stand with you inside the rain. But I'm just watching from the dark, while rain falls on your heart. If I could be your shelter now, I'd hold the sky from falling down. But some storms we face alone, in the cold, where love has grown. Rain falls on your heart tonight, drowning out the fading light. Still I'll stay, I won't depart, even if it tears me apart. Through every storm and every scar, I'll love you just the way you are, even lost inside the dark. While rain falls on your heart, rain falls, but I'm still here.